What's up? I just want to rant for a second. About people. Most people, if you ask me, I feel like I'm an alien. I feel like I don't belong here. I feel like I'm not from here. I don't know. This just not my place or whatever. People be so fucking weird to me. It be crazy. Like, the way people think. I feel like everybody in this whole world, I don't think nobody in this whole world think how I think. Granted, nobody in this world think alike. Nobody, like I tell people all the time, every single person definition of every word is different or whatever. And what I mean by that is, I can say my definition to love or trust is X, Y, and Z. And your definition of love and trust is ABC. Like, granted, it might be on the same wave or in the same category, but it's different. Everybody views things differently. Every mind is different. That's why we are unique, because nobody is like you. Nobody in this world is like you, or whatever. Oh, that was a lot. It's like a little puddle. Yeah, so nobody is like you. So, I had to come to terms with, okay, so trying to help somebody, you will end up hurting yourself. And I don't think you should ever hurt yourself just trying to help the next person. But that was me. Like, some people be so lost and so broken, it be unbelievable, and you be feeling sad for them. So you just be like, I can help this person. Like, I really can help this person view things differently. So, I mean, it can be a good thing at times, but at the end of it all, it's like a little creek right here flooding. At the end of it all, I feel like you would end up hurting yourself. That's all it is too. But now, don't hurt yourself trying to help somebody else. That's the moral of the story. Don't ever do that. You'll never be happy like that. But everybody grow and learn on their own at their own pace. You can't really, the saying, you can lead you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make them drink. So that was my situation, and that's really always my situation. Like, my mindset was just totally different than mine, and eventually we bumped heads. Like, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna probably hit y'all back later. I'm almost to my destination, and my phone be tripping. I'm getting messages, but I'm gonna holler back at y'all later. I love y'all. Be safe. It's really rainy in Cincinnati today. It's really gray. I am Connie Dukes signing off. This my car rants. I think I'm about to start doing these, cause I don't know, stuff be on my mind, but I don't speak it. Like, I just rather think it, think about it, or I don't know. But I think I'm about to start doing this.
the best of mine. And I mean, if you forget the mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say I'm lucky, then leave for your life. Yeah, I love to be like. Say everything together, yeah, night. Yeah, if I leave you by. Yeah, if you leave, I'm stuck.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm headed to my cousin's house and just about to chill with her for a second. And tonight I'm out here with my people. So yeah, we out here. Come see us. Come pull up on us if y'all want to see us. Y'all know we stars. Y'all know we famous. Y'all know y'all love us. I don't know why. I don't know why y'all love us, but y'all do. And I appreciate y'all. So now I love y'all too, though. For real. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be recording from this place. I'm at a hotel right now. Why? I don't think that matters. I don't even worry about it. Just know it's not for what you think it's for. I almost dropped it coming live from the elevator with my hen dog. Because I'm getting my feelings off that hen dog. You already know what it is. I love y'all. Be safe out there. It's getting bad in the city. Do it. The weather today in Cincinnati, Ohio, nigga, it's like 0 degrees, nigga.
Fucking city, bruh.
God in them. And I don't even know who them is. It's the Weather Channel. Going live from Cincinnati, Ohio. It ain't even that cold, but it's fake snowing and shit.